Dear kids, in our previous video, we watched that the East India Company came to India for trading, but gradually it started to rule India. They conquered many Indian states and provinces. For this, they adopted many unfair policies. In this video, we will know about some of them in detail. Divide and rule policy and doctrine of lapse policy. The kings in India kept fighting with each other. The British took advantages of this and adopted divide and rule policy. This policy spread hatred among Hindus and Muslims also, and the British conquered nearly the whole of India. In this way, the doctrine of lapse policy helped British to expand their kingdom. The second policy was doctrine of lapse. It was introduced by Governor General Lord Dalhousie. According to this policy, if the ruler did not have any biological heir to the throne, then the kingdom would lapse into the hands of the British. The kingdoms of Satara, Nagpur, and Jhansi were annexed under this policy. This injustice caused unhappiness among the Indians. These unfair policies were also the main cause of the revolt of 1857. We will study about the revolt of 1857 in our next class. Thank you.